Congratulate one and only. इसमें कोई suspense की बात नहीं थी. She started with a wonderful slogan.
She ended with a wonderful rhythmic, poetic, whatever she did, right? Even her, the camera was not working well. Still, she performed well. And I'm very proud, by the way, because Sangeeta ji
जी late थे. So one and only the winner is Sangeeta ji. For being the part of this wonderful journey.
And it is rightly said. करत करत अभ्यास ते जन्मत होत सुजान रसवी आवत जात ते सिर पर परत निशान. It means practice makes one perfect, and the same thing happened with me. The regular systematic practice of all the homeworks as well as tasks which were given by Aman sir as well as Pooja ma'am really helped me to improve my grammar. It helped me to eradicate my hesitation. It helped me to build up my confidence as well as to make me more and more confident and fluent in English. So here I can confidently say I really love now to speak with people in English, even in group discussions as well. Now at the end I would like to thank the entire team of Elite Talkers for being so humble, supportive and cooperative in my English speaking journey. And last but not the least, I would like to end up my speech with a beautiful quotation, that is, motivators are, mentors are really important in your life. So choose them wisely. If I can do, you can definitely do. Thank you.
एंड मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाहता हूँ संगीता जी के बारे में कि संगीता जी ना पता है क्या करते थे कि ना हम अपने सेशंस को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं ना कॉल करके मुझे बताते थे 15-15 मिनट. बट सीइंग यू एज अ विनर आई एम टोटली डिलाइटेड.
एंड मैं एक चीज ये भी बता दूं, लखन जी व्हाई ही इज नॉट अ विनर, बिकॉज़ सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि लखन जी शुड बी द फर्स्ट विनर. कहीं ना कहीं एक दो पॉइंट्स में लखन जी ने कहीं ना कहीं ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स की थी जो संगीता जी के एंड से नहीं थी.
एंड वही पैरामीटर्स के थ्रू को देखते हुए संगीता जी हैज बिकम द चैंपियन ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल championship. So many congratulations, Sangeeta.
So Sangeeta ji, along with this particular check, you have won this wonderful iPhone 15. So बहुत जल्दी ये आपके हाथों में होगा. Enjoy, right? Like नहीं किया. But Sangeeta, this is way too much special for me. ये phones आते जाते रहेंगे. I don't care. But this is what makes the true sense. Your photograph, अच्छी सी फोटो खिंचवाओ, right? ठीक है? या फिर send us any 5-star trophy. It's going to stay with you forever. Thank you so much, Sangeeta, for each and everything.